Hey guys, so one of my mentees reached out to me and said he wants to set up a small farm for tomatoes and pepper, and of course we had to help him set up the farm. And here we have the space where we want to plant the tomatoes and pepper. We started by doing the ridges. As you can see, this is the field where we want to do the ridges for the tomatoes and pepper. What we are doing right now, we started by marking up the space where we want to do the ridges, and we are not actually going to pack out all these green grasses. Those grasses will turn out to be a form of compost for us. So we are turning the grass with the ridges. We are putting it inside the ridges so that they can decompose and form a very good compost, adding to the nutrient of the soil. So you can see how big this ridge is. It is actually 1 meter ridge. We are doing 1 meter by 1 meter ridge, 1 meter ridge, 1 meter walkway. So we are planting in 2 rows. So this is the size of the land. It's just a simple and a small space. We are doing tomatoes and pepper, setting it up for one of my mentees. A very interesting journey that we just started, and you can see. So here we are trying to create a space where we will build the nursery tent, where we can nurse the seedlings or the seeds into seedlings. So we're trying to also clear some parts where we'll set up a small nursery tent for the nursery. So at this point, we've done most of the ridges. As you can see, our ridges, we've done about 10 ridges out of this time. As you can see, what we have here. And of course, the nursery tent is in progress. As you can see, we've already started digging and putting all the woods to construct the nursery tent. And after that, we started doing the netting. As you can see, finally the house is almost ready. The nursery tent is almost ready. We've done the roofing, we've put the nets, and the nursery house is almost ready. Just remaining the doors now before we start the nursing proper. So the nursery house is ready, just a small nursery house that can accommodate the number of plants we want to plant in the field. So a very good experience so far. We've done the ridges, not all, because it will get to the fence as well. So we've done the ridges, we've done the nursery house, and next is for us to start the nursing and then complete the ridges before it's time to transplant. Stay tuned for more updates.